Good morning, everybody. Three things are important in the life. One is health, second one is wealth, and third one is happiness. You all about working. You all working about. Yeah, we have been working about wealth and happiness. If we work along with wealth and happiness, if we work health along with wealth and happiness, our life will become beautiful. There are some person, they have wealth, but they don't have happiness and wealth. There are some persons, they have wealth, they don't have wealth and happiness. There are some person, they have wealth, but they don't have health and happiness. There are persons, they have only happiness, but they don't have happiness and wealth. Even though if you have two, it may be health and happiness. When you don't have wealth, there is no use. What I am going to point out here, three things are required in the life. One is health, another one is wealth, third one is happiness. When we have three things, when we gain three things, automatically it is the way to lead a beautiful life. So, what I am going to point out here, what I am going to do here, I would like to do some physical exercises that might benefit you in the future. I am not going to demonstrate so many highly things you may have done in the past. First, just I am showing that exercise in modified way. In modified way, uh, I am not going to tell you uh, something something which you don't know. You know everything. Just I am going to show you in a modified way, in masala way. That's all. I hope you will permit me to do the exercise. Thank you. See, you consider this is one part, and upper body. It is called as upper body. It is called lower body. What I will do is all type of exercise important to the body. If you do only neck exercise, if you not do this part and lower body, those muscles cannot get, those muscles cannot become strong. If you do only hand exercises, if you not do neck exercise, or if you not do this part, if you not do lower part, you cannot get benefit. When you do only lower part, if you not do upper part, there is no benefit. What I am going to point out here, all type of exercises are important in the life. All type of exercises are all type of exercises are important in the life, and we have to give exercise for the every muscle. When we give exercise for the every muscle will become strong, powerful. So I will start from top to bottom. I would like to do the exercise, all exercise from top to bottom. I hope it will give you a benefit in the future. ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಮೂರು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಹಣ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂತೋಷ. ಈ ಮೂರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಬದುಕಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದರೆ ಆ ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೊರೋನಾ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ಗಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿದ ರಂಗನಾಥ ಅಂತಂದು ನಾಯಂಡಹಳ್ಳಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ್ ಲೇಔಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವರು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಜನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಿ ಪವರ್ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್, ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೂಡ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬರೀ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜಪ ತಪ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಸಂಸಾರದ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಊಟ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ ನನಗೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಕೊರೋನಾ ಮೂಮೆಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು. ಈಗ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಶರೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಅಂಗಗಳಿವೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಂಗಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಈ ಹೆಡ್ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಅಪ್ಪ ಚೆಸ್ಟಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನೀಗ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೆಡ್ एक्सरसाइज ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಈಗ. ನಾವು आई एम डूइंग हेड एक्सरसाइजेस. मैं अभी सिर के लिए एक्सरसाइज कर रहा हूँ. Upper part I am doing head exercises. My now I will do like this. Now front part is over. Now I will do back part. Just I will do back. Now head exercise is over. Next I will do hands exercises. Next everybody knows all exercises, but I am remembering you what you have done in the past. Next if I do these exercises I will get stretch here. ನಾವು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲೂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಠ ಕೂಡ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ another one exercise. I will demo another one. If I do, I will experience relaxation in the back part. Next, I will cross the leg. Get up, I do it. Just I am showing one count, 1 to 3 count. When you are going to do exercises, that time you can do 5 to 10 count. You should not increase or you should not do all exercise, and you should not do 10 count a day. Do exercises regularly. Why I am going to tell you not to increase the counts a single day. When you increase the counts in a single day, sometimes there is a chances to get a pain. That's what I am telling you, not to do n number of counts a single day. If you walk on toe, whatever you do, whichever exercise you do, you will get relaxation. First time I walked on the toe. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. We have to get stretch in your ankle, calf muscle, in glutes, everywhere. Now I will walk on heel. I will walk once again because okay, next. Next. Stand straight. First hold your right leg with the help of two hands. Next. Hold your right leg with the help of both hands. Next. Okay, after finishing both of them, hold your right leg with the help of both hands. Breathe slowly. Breathe properly. Breathe slowly. Breathe properly. Breathing is most important while doing all physical exercises. Breathing is most important while doing all physical exercises. What I will do is, there is my friend by name Suhas. He is a karate player, he is a taekwondo player. While seeing him, I started also some doing karate exercises. Just I showed you. Do whatever you would like to do it, but you should get happiness. Your muscles should get happiness. I'm not going to tell you do only whatever I have shown you. If you would like to do the karate exercises, you can do, or whatever exercises you do, you should be happy after doing those exercises. Nice. If you do exercises, when we do exercises, our body, mind, it is a type of way to relax our mind. To do exercises itself is the type of way to relax the mind. Sometimes physical exercises also helps to keep our mind peaceful and strong. See, all there are so many exercises. Just I have shown you some exercises to you. Whatever you have learned in childhood days, when you were a student, that time your PT master taught so many n number of exercises to you. If you do that, you can get benefit. I hope will do. I hope if you feel to do these exercises, do it. It may benefit you in the future. What I am going to point out here, physical along with wealth, physical fitness is most important along with our health, with our wealth. When we do physical fitness, that 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 physical fitness keeps our mind, that helps to keep our mind cool, and also that physical fitness helps you to eat right thing. When we start to do the physical fitness, automatically our mind will tell us, oh, which we have to eat, which we have not to eat. Okay, thank you very much.